Hello everyone. So today I have come with a new lesson. Today we will learn articles. So I have divided the video into three parts. The first part I will tell you what is article. The second part is the types of article and their uses. And the third part is where article we don't use. So let's start. So the first part, as I said, you will learn what is article. So in our English alphabet, we have 26 letters and there are 5 vowels. What are they? A, E, I, O, U. So except these 5 vowels, we have 21 consonants. And articles are special words. Articles are used at the starting with words that starts with either a vowel or a consonant. I am eating an apple. A is here a vowel, and as A we are talking about a single thing, and apple, A is a vowel, so we are using an. I have a bag, so we are talking about a singular thing, bag, noun, and before that we will write A. So if we discuss the types of article, the first one is indefinite articles. What are indefinite articles? Indefinite articles are a and an. A and an used before countable nouns in singular number. Now countable nouns means what we can count, and singular means one. Let's take few examples. I saw a bird this morning. So bird here is a countable item. We can count bird. How many bird? A bird. So I'm talking about a single bird, a singular number. It's morning and I don't have an umbrella. So what is the countable noun here? Umbrella. We can count the number of umbrella. Here we are talking about a singular umbrella. So umbrella, U is a vowel. So here we have written an before umbrella. Before countable noun, singular number, and as U is a vowel, so we have written an here. Let's take the next examples. I have an apple in breakfast. So here apple is an countable noun. We can count apple. And how many apple? An apple. A here is a vowel, and as A is a vowel, we are using an. So countable singular noun, and before that we have written an. Now we will learn the use of A, where we can write A before the word beginning with consonant sound. As we discussed earlier that we have 21 consonants in English alphabets. So here if you take the examples, he is a tailor. Here T is a consonant, and he is a tailor. We are talking about a singular person, a single person, and T is a consonant. So we are writing here A. She is a teacher. So here teacher, T is consonant. We are talking about a single person, that's why you have written E here. And second rule is a single countable noun. Ram has a toy car. Here we can count the number of toy cars, and we are talking about a single toy car. And T is a consonant, so here we are using A. Now we will learn the use of an before a word beginning with vowels. So we learnt what are vowels: A, E, I, O, U. We have 5 vowels together in the English alphabets. So before a vowel we use an. So let's take the examples. He is an intelligent boy. Here intelligent, I is vowel, and before I we have written an. She is an excellent mom. Here excellent, E is a vowel, so we have written an before excellent, and she is, we are talking about one person. Now let's learn the second type of article, which is definite article. The is a definite article because we use the when you are referring to a particular thing, to a reader or listener. The is used for both singular and plural noun. So if we take the examples, the buildings are tall. Buildings, we are talking about more than one buildings, and we using the because here we definitely talking about those buildings. So here we are using the. The second example, the apple is red. So we are talking about a particular apple, and here it is the singular noun apple. So here we are again using the. A person or things, as we have discussed earlier. I like the dress you wear. So we are particularly talking about the dress that you are wearing. So here we are using the. The names of mountain ranges. We have mountain ranges like the Himalayas, the Alps. So every time we use the name of mountain ranges, before that we will write the. The name of group of island, the Andamans, the Lakshadweeps. So when we are talking about the body parts, the head, the stomach, the nose, always we use the before the name of the body parts. Next is the superlative degrees. Superlatives means when we do the comparison among others. He is the strongest boy in the class. So we are comparing him with other students. So before the superlative degree, we use the. The superlative degree here is the strongest, and we use the before the strongest. Now name of the ordinals like the first, the second, the third, the fourth, the fifth. So always before the ordinals number we use the. Name of the religious book like the Ramayana, the Bible, the Gita. So before the name of the any religious book we use the. The names of the heavenly bodies, the moon, the sun, the earth. The names of the historical buildings like the Red Fort, the India Gate. So far we have learned where we can use articles a and the. Now there are some other area where we don't use articles. Articles are not in use in case of. So using the certain special words like God, we never say the God, the life, the date. So here articles a and the doesn't use. The name of the days and months. He will reach here by Wednesday. So we never say he will reach here by the Wednesday. Name of the subject. I love to study English. We never say I love to study the English. So these are some places where we don't use the articles. Learned articles, types of articles and their uses. Now your full concept of articles is very clear. It's time to practice. The more you practice, the more you learn. So keep practicing. Till then, bye bye.